Tamaki!
Morena!
Morena! This is Renee.
Morena!
So today we are all heading over to Great Barrier Island, so Aotea.
We're heading over to Tautoko, Kawa and Mōtaerehe Marae, and the school that we're going to be presenting or promoting at is Okiwi Kura.
We can run our way to the airport now, so catch the B-roll. So yeah, stay tuned.
Later.
Bye.
For everyone who call themselves governments and this and that, why them say you must not use their I wanna.
Right now we are off to our plane.
Yes.
To Aotea. We're going to Great Barrier for the weekend.
The lighting's changed, but I'll give you a thing of where we are.
This is pretty cool.
Straight up. Is this a place?
Oh, stop it!
Oh my goodness.
Off my single bed, we'll share the same room.
Oh my gosh, it's so small.
But I provide a bread. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling?
Shot, bro. Thank you. Woo. Hey.
I wanna know, wanna know, wanna know, wanna know.
Kia ora whanau. As you can see, we made it.
Right, it's Whakaruaki Taringa.
Wait, say it again.
Whakaruaki Taringa.
Yeah, so I'm gonna let our leader introduce herself.
Hi, I'm Renee. I am the secretary for the Kawa Marae.
But yo, we made it. We're safe.
I wanna
Let's go.
I wanna love and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together with the roof right over our heads. We'll share the shelter, yeah. Oh yeah. Off my single bed, we'll share the same room, yeah. Put up provide the bread. Whoa. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling? See, I wanna love you. I wanna love and treat you. Love and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together with the roof right over our heads. We'll share the shelter of my single bed.
3, 2, 1.
Same room.
Cheers. So we're just chilling at Mōtaerehe Marae with Miss Keisha and Mr. Tama. For the rest of today we are going to check out Kawa Marae, which is the brother sister to this one. Catch you later. Bye. Bye. Okay, we're going to start out by saying hashtag Parakore ki Tamaki. Are you what? Okay. Yeah, hashtag Parakore ki Tamaki. Okay, we're going to do the hashtag.
And also, what do you do for hashtag?
It's when you're like, you know, when you're on Facebook and that sort of thing. Hashtag Parakore ki Tamaki. are now at Kawa Marae, the second marae that we visited. We're just checking it out. It's huge and awesome. So we're just servicing their marae, seeing what they need, seeing what bins they need. They're getting pig buckets, they're getting recycling bins, they're getting all their systems revamped, and they're basically...
It's us. We're going to Fitzroy. I don't have to stay.
Now we're leaving because they sussed it.
Oh, okay.
But yeah.
Oh, we had the longest part at the other marae and we'll tie it here.
Yeah. It was easy as. But we're done now, so we're gonna move on. Okay, bye. Hashtag Whanakura ki Tamaki. Kia ora whānau. So we are coming to the end of our trip at Great Barrier, Aotea. We had an amazing time.
Got to see a pod of 14 dolphins.
Yeah. Shout out to Renee Ngawaka. Girl. Shout out Renee. We love you.
Shout out to the whānau doing the hard mahi on the ground over here because you're keeping it real, keeping it so beautiful. It makes our job easy.
But thank you Great Barrier. Thank you Aotea. We love you. Stay safe, make good choices. Hashtag Whanakura ki Tamaki. Bye.